Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're plunging right into how to use Monday.com for risk management, the complete 2025 guide. First things first, let's set up a board. Once you're logged in, go to the left side of your dashboard and click on New. Then select Board. This is where we'll track all of our risks. The reason we do this is to ensure that every risk is visible and can be properly managed. Now that we've done that, let's add some groups to our board. Each group can represent a different project or a different type of risk. To add a group, click on Add Group, then type in the name of your group. This helps us because it keeps our risks organized and allows us to allocate resources more effectively. Next up, let's add some items to our groups. Items are the individual risks that we'll be tracking. To add an item, click on Add Item, then type in the name of your risk. It's crucial to name your risks clearly and specifically so everyone on the team understands what they are. Let me explain why this matters. Clear communication is key in risk management as it helps avoid confusion and missteps. Now we're going to customize our columns. This is where we'll add details about each risk, such as its category, status, impact, and probability. To customize a column, click on the column title, then select Column Settings. From here, you can change the column type, name, and other settings. This is important because it gives us all the information we need to properly assess and handle each risk. The last step in our process is setting up automations. Monday.com's automations can automatically update statuses, send notifications, and more. To add an automation, click on Automations on the left side of your dashboard, then select Add Automation. The reason we do this is to save time and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. So there you have it. You've just set up a risk management system on Monday.com. Remember, the key is to keep your board organized, your risks clearly defined, and to make good use of Monday.com's automation features. That's it for today's tutorial. And remember, managing risks effectively is crucial to the success of any project. Stay organized, stay focused, and you'll be well on your way to mastering risk management with Monday.com.